Hello viewers, welcome back to Renka Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making the best hair growth oil. For this effective essential oil, we are going to be making use of thyme and also olive oil. Thyme can help promote hair growth by both stimulating the scalp and actively preventing hair loss. Most people think that you can only use thyme to parboil your meat or to make your tomato sauce. This is a very effective leaf that is used in promoting hair growth. So adding thyme to your dishes is as good as introducing it to your scalp in order to promote your hair growth. After I must have added the olive oil, I'm going to be leaving it for 5 days in order for me to have a good infusion of the thyme in the oil. So it's already 5 days and I'm going to be making use of steaming method to get this essential oil ready. Olive oil have a major moisturizing effect on your scalp. You only need to steam for 20 minutes, but a good advice is that the lower the heat for steaming, the more effective result you get. At this stage, we are through with the steaming. I'm going to allow it to cool off for a bit and I'm going to sieve out the oil. The essential oil is ready. All you need to do is to apply it to your scalp. Use it as part of your hair cream and the results will be wonderful. Thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.